over 1,000 traders casted their votes if they believed Bitcoin's going to hit $25,000 or $14,000 first. I have those results for you. Let's do this. Welcome to Trade Confident. Let's dive into today's analysis. Are we going to go to 25,000 or are we going to go to 14,000 first? We have the strongest resistance mocked up on the chart as well as the strongest support. We're going to go over that in this video, and I'm going to show you guys the poll where your fellow crypto traders voted. Over 1,000 of them in the last probably like 12 hours. You guys casted your votes. I'm also going to show you guys how standard RSI and MACD indicators are most likely going to fail you guys, and what we just do on our side to increase our edge drastically, where we actually start making profits like this, where we're 440% higher than the S&P 500. We've got a scalping trade open right now. We're doing very well, and our traders are making thousands. So let's start with this, guys. Do you think we're going to 25,000 or 14,000? Let's look at the results here. Last night, I posted this. Your vote. Bitcoin to 25,000 or 14K. 62% of people believe we are going down to 14,000, and we only have 38% believing we're going to 25,000. This is very interesting for us to take into account here, because majority of retail traders are going to let the market drop if it drops because they don't think it's time for a pump. That is a bearish sign in the market. But can I give you guys, just all of you hodlers out there, some long-term bullish sentiment here? This is the ARK investment management analyst, Yassine, believes that Bitcoin will reach $1 million per coin by 2030. CEO of ARK Investments, Kathy Woods, also reiterated the same statement that she believes Bitcoin will hit $1 million by 2030. Now, that's a long-term analysis. We're obviously not there yet, but the hodlers are going to rejoice if that actually happens, and I'm part of that group as well. Next part of this video, how are you going to spot which way this market's going to go? Are we going to blast to 25,000 or 14,000? What a lot of people do is they use indicators. Watch this, guys. The RSI and the MACD is going to fail you far more than you think it will, because these are the top two indicators that retail traders use when they get into crypto trading. The RSI is classically used as when the RSI line in purple here comes down below the value of 30 or it moves above the value of 70. Seeing the RSI move down below the value of 30, we can see right here on the chart, we should have been going long. Not a great entry into the market. The next time we see we should be going long here, a decent entry in here. Then we see over here, we barely tried to dip below 30 over here. Not a bad entry, but here we didn't see an entry at all. Okay, you've got 3 entries in the market. What are you going to do? Maybe enter over here. Here's the problem with this. It is not picking up the other drops in the market where you would have gotten better signals with something like the top and bottom finder. Better signal here. We got a great signal here and a great signal here. Also, can I point something out to you guys, which you are literally setting yourself up for a little bit of traps here? When you look at an RSI like this, you tell yourself, all right, it has to go below 30 or it has to be within a range. How far below 30 does it need to go before you actually take your trade? It's very tricky. So hold that in your thought, because I'll give you guys a conclusion to this of how we're actually giving ourselves a huge edge over this. Now look at the MACD. The MACD, honestly, guys, is probably one of the worst indicators that you're using on your charts. I personally would look to upgrade. Don't want to bash it, but look at this. MACD is used this way. When you're below the center point here of 0, you then start looking below and you look for your blue moving average to cross above your orange moving average. Just put a vertical line on the chart here. You would have taken a long position about right here, which is exactly where our top and bottom finder told you to sell. You guys would have lost your shorts right here. Let's come up over here as well. You take a look at the blue line moving down below the orange that happened right about here. If you take a look at this, you are actually selling into the dip, and then the market's going up. The only time I really see this doing a fairly decent job is actually over here, blue moving down below orange, and that's actually a delayed signal from the top and bottom finder as well. Then let's come over here. We take a look at the blue moving above the orange. We can see on this candle here, you've already lost out on the profits where we were able to call the bottom here before we move up. Okay, and then you guys can see it again over here. You're looking at the blue coming below the orange right about here, which is literally around the bottom area. Okay, if you're using crossovers on MACD in your algorithms or in your trading, I would personally take this off your chart. It is not going to do great for you guys. Now, let me transition you guys over into something that we're using, which is giving us a greater edge in crypto. And I'll give you guys a big discount on all these indicators as well. So I'll pump you guys up and then I'll say, here you go. Here's $400 off and here's 82% off. It's the biggest sell we've ran yet. Here is what we use instead of that. We use what's called a trend exhaustion, where we look to see if the structures of crypto are over exhausted to the upside or to the downside. Watch here. Trend exhaustion in the top red section. Let me do these vertical lines again. A great entry here for an exit or a short position. Okay, trend exhaustion, top red section, great entry. Trend exhaustion pushing in the top red section, not here, you got to go over here. Still a great entry here. We've got 3 points that these are very incredible points of data. Now, let's come over here. When did it hit the bottom section? We see this right over here. We see the move barely down in crypto and then it moved back up, far better than RSI or MACD. Then you come over here and you look at this. Great entry on a candle move back down. Then we've got the trend exhaustion dipping into the red section right here, literally on the bottom candle here. And then we've got another dip down right here at the low here and very close to the top. All right, you saw that, but let me be honest with something here, guys. Even these indicators that are pinned to a range, they're going to help you guys, but there's still a little bit of a flaw. I know, I'm like not bashing the indicators what we have, but you need to understand this. When you have indicators like these where you're looking for the signal to get within a range, you still are somewhat guessing in the market. That is why we combine this with this indicator up here. We set out to create an indicator that said we can't have a range. I don't want to be guessing if I take the exit here, if I take the exit here, or take it here. What we did is we actually coded another metric that comes out with a signal on the candle close, so there's no more guessing. That is one of the principles of why this literally makes us the best crypto metric in the market for crypto, hands down. I said this yesterday. I come from coding indicators for TradingView.com users for about 2 years. I literally work with the COO of TradingView. My point being here, the edge that you guys are looking for, you're most likely using the MACD RSI to look for those oversold territories and then for the move back up. I truly believe they're going to fail you guys. You need to level up your game when it comes to predictive market analysis. And that's what we've done for you guys. We've spent literally 4 years in the making to make this indicator. And the next time we're looking for a pump is trend exhaustion needs to be bottom red section. Well, money flow needs to be low. And the next buy signal is what we're looking for. This setup right here, guys, that setup right there is what you should be looking for if you want to get money back into the market for the greatest chance of your money making money on the move up. The greatest sign for a move back down is trend exhaustion in the top red section, well money flow high, and you get a sell signal. This is the greatest place to be taking exits. This has proven it time and time again on the candle wick top itself before the move down, Okay, I get jacked on these videos because it's like, look guys, we have a way to make money. We've got traders making seriously thousands of dollars once they realize they have an edge in the market like this and they took off those RSIs and those MACDs. They worked in the past, but I'll tell you this, I've coached big institutions and they've told me they look at those RSIs and they look at those MACDs to trade against retail traders because they know a bunch of people are looking at that. They're also lagging. This is what's called a leading indicator. It's telling you what's going to happen before it happens in the market. Okay, watch this. Let me get you guys into a crazy deal right now, and I'll give you guys discount codes on all this. I'll make this really fast. It doesn't need to be long. Our biggest sell we have literally ever ran is going on right now. Get the bundle pack first. You guys will get 82% off our retail value prices. You're going to get a $50 off coupon code. Just enter coupon code SAVEME50 at checkout. You'll get trend exhaustion, you'll get price versus well money flow, and you'll get 7 other indicators to use on your charts, okay? Great. The best part about this is you guys get the source codes, but you also get a 53% coupon code off the top and bottom finder. That is literally $400 off, the best metric in the industry. And if you want to watch for the next pump or drop, watch for the next buy signal on the daily time frame. This does come with alerts. You guys can watch that, and I'll actually show you where to access it right now. Follow me here. Bundle pack, get that first, get the coupon code, or if you want to purchase it by itself, enter coupon code SAVEME50. Watch this. I'm going to use this for example. Click right here. It'll open up the page for you. If you click right, this will show you guys exactly how to use the risk management, every feature that's included, as well as how to set up alerts on any time frame. Set it up on the 4-hour and the daily time frame and watch for the next buy or sell. The precursor will happen on the lower time frames. Just giving you guys a bunch of education this morning. Come over here, click I want this. Scroll down, enter coupon code. I'll take this off so you guys can prove that it works. Save me $250. It's $749. Not anymore. You guys are paying $499 because you got $250 off. But if you get the bundle pack first, you do not get $250. You will get $400 off. Guys, the best thing to do is to give yourself an edge in crypto going into fourth quarter. You guys are looking to make money in crypto, to maybe pay your bills because the market is so crazy right now. You're looking to have some extra money for Christmas. We have people over here actually doing the thing that you're probably looking to do right now. $950 in a single day, $4,300 in a single week using the top and bottom finder. You can see it right there, okay? $500, $5,200, $4,300. This guy did use leverage. I just want to be honest with that. Again, what did he use? Top and bottom finder. Coming down here, I'll just jack you guys up and we'll end this video here. This guy's over here and he made $3,200 in the last 3 days, bro. He is trading. What is he trading with? The top and bottom finder. It's because there's no more guessing now. If your indicators are pinned to a range, you're not guessing where is the entry. We're literally coming out here, and I didn't code this, guys. It was a friend of mine, Tony, so I must give him credit. They were able to dial this down to the most precise entries on literally the candle tops before the market drops. If you understand this, like, this should not be happening. This should actually be impossible, but we are using an algorithm, a MiniMax algorithm, to predict these moves. We do not use, let me say this again, we do not use any oscillators in this code here, which is why I believe we have a huge advantage on the market. People are starting to take their oscillators off. These are great. We use them as confirmation, but this is using an algorithm, which I think we may have hit a secret sauce on this because we've never found a metric that has been more accurate than this. And people are using this on stocks, cryptos, and Forex. All right, guys. Enjoy. If you guys want to join us on our scalping trades, we are using this exact metric. Come over to our website, snag a membership if you guys would like. It's just $75 a month. All of our trades are called out for you. We're going live with you every month, coaching you guys, as well as the top and bottom finder is actually presented to you on the daily time frame for the top 20 stocks, as well as the top 20 crypto on our website. You guys can see it right here. If you want to watch for it, get a membership and watch for the next buy signal. Like, here's the spot where you guys can sit down with your popcorn and watch to see what's going to happen. Literally calling the bottom before I move up, the top before I move down, bottom before I move up, top before I move down. It's just stinking ridiculous. So a membership will give that to you guys, but if you want the full power, take it into your hands, set alerts up on any time frame, set it up on any ticker you guys want, get it on your charts, and you guys will get access today. Take advantage of us right now and get these indicators while we have these crazy sales going on, because we will stop this on October 28th. We are not going to be doing the same sale, just so you guys know. God bless you. I hope you love this video, this education of the indicators, and everything you need is in the description. Use those coupon codes, guys. Enjoy the money you make, and send in testimonials of how you guys do. We'll put you guys over here and we'll congratulate you. All right, guys, have a good one. God bless you. We'll see you later. Bye.